Okay, so this video is going to basically show you how to fill out the notes of our parts of speech for the Google Slides. So here's the parts of speech slide that we will be filling out in class. However, if you miss class, you need to watch this video and fill it out on your own or with your parents. So the next slide, we're going to focus on noun. A noun's a person, place, or thing. You can click this and you can watch the video I have on noun so that you can see what a noun is or example of a person, place, or thing. And then here's the noun practice. In class, I'm going to read these to you and you're going to basically underline or highlight which words are nouns. So here's this: Mark and Jennifer have a son. So Mark is a noun, Jennifer is a noun, and son is a noun. So I would need to highlight those. Okay, so you would do it for this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. For the next slide, you're going to write your 2 sample sentences that has a noun in it, and you're going to highlight the words that are nouns. Then in nouns, there are pronouns, and pronouns are words that takes place of a name. And you can watch the video right here to explain to you what a pronoun is. Okay, so here are some example of pronouns. Here are some possessive pronouns, some demonstrative pronouns, some objective pronouns, some subjective, reflexive, and infinite. Okay, all right, same thing here. You're going to underline the pronouns. Here are some that are already underlined for you. All right, so I believe there's only one in here that's not underlined. And then you're going to write 2 sentences that are going to use pronouns in them. You got to fill that out. Okay, so don't worry about this one. We're not really focusing on that one. Actually, I'm going to delete it because we're not really going to focus on that. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is verbs. You're going to watch the video on verb, and then we're going to talk about 2 types of verb, which is action verb and linking verb. Okay, action verbs are verbs that express an action like playing and driving, and linking verbs express a state of being. I am here. She is pretty. So these verbs aren't action. You can't show them. They are a state of being. So here we will practice on finding some action verbs and some linking verbs. So for example, Marion was the first woman to become president. The word become is the verb, but it's not an action. You can't show become because there's no such thing as showing become, but it is the linking verb in that sentence. So you're going to need to find it for this one, this one, this one, and that one. Then you're going to make 2 sentences, one using an action verb, the second one using a linking verb. Next one, watch the video for adjectives. Adjectives are words that modify or describe other verbs or other nouns. You can describe verbs too, actually. No, just kidding. Adjective describes noun, not verbs. Only noun, like red house, tall man, large hut, right? So you're going to write me 2 sentences with the word with an adjective in there, and you're going to highlight the adjective. Okay, so here are some practice. Actually, I should move that up. We should practice before doing it. So here is an example. The adjective, and there are many amazing students in high school. The word amazing is an adjective because it describes the students, which are nouns. All right, so after that, we're going to go into adverbs. Adverbs describe verbs since that's why they had the word verb. That's why it has the word verbs in it. Adverb describe verbs. And you can watch the video here. A lot of adverbs end in ly, like slowly, very. Okay, so same thing. You're going to go ahead and, I didn't have it for this one. Okay, we will practice for the adverbs. So you can just find the adverbs in the sentence and make sure you highlight them. And last but not least, do conjunction. Watch the conjunction video. Conjunctions are words that connects 2 sentences or two parts of sentences together.